machuca, fala pra ele.
Não machuca, vai. Toma.
Amor, acabou de comprar o brinquedo. Ele veio já aprender.
Let's go. Watch the ball.
Aí.
A bola parou no chão na hora que ela...
Go.
Aí. One more time. Vamos?
Não, você é contrário. Bate.
É, isso.
Bate. Gabriel.
Vou fazer aqui.
Filho, entende uma coisa.
Agora eu fiz a bola.
Entende uma coisa. Você bate bola por direção, tá?
Só que eu fiz a bola enrolar aqui no pé.
Ó, olha pra papai.
Não é esse o segredo do jogo, não.
Be very good at this.
Ó.
And then you hit this way, okay?
Yeah.
Go back, baby. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Yes, very good.
Come on.
Woo! It's too
Again,
fast.
Again. Hit it. Keep hitting it. Hey, keep hitting it. Hit it again. Like this. Yeah.
Ah!
Keep hitting it. Come on, hit it, Noah. Hit it. No, the other way.
This way, must go that way.
Ah, it's very fast. No.
Yeah. Come on.
Ah.
Go down, I win.
Yeah, keep going.
Noah, look. You understand the game or no?
No, just
Right there.
Let me ask him. You're not Noah.
Andrew. They've
You
never
are
seen
not
yeah,
Noah.
Andrew asked them. They've never
No,
seen
I'm
anything
teaching
like
him,
this.
okay?
Yeah.
You are not Noah.
Yeah, but
Let
he
me
doesn't
teach
understand.
him.
He's stupid.
Okay.
Have you
No,
got
she
something
didn't
for me
teach
now
you.
today?
Watch the ball. Go back, baby.
You've never
Okay.
seen them
You
in
see
their
we start
lives.
in the middle,
Tell
okay?
me what to do.